May the sun in his course visit no land more free, more lovely than this country. Good morning and a very happy Independence Day to you all. It is a great honor for me to be delivering an e-speech for the very first time in my life. After a long struggle, we finally got our tryst with destiny on this very day, 73 years back. It still fills me with great pride to think about the valor of our nation's heroes who sacrificed everything for our freedom. They gave up their families, their simple pleasures of life, and life itself for our freedom. They truly justify the saffron color of the flag, which represents courage. Hearing their stories inspires us all greatly and fills us with a strong wave of emotions as we imagine all the things our people went through in the past. Freedom is a human right, and once you've had a taste of it, you can never really go back. The last 73 years have been a roller coaster ride for us, with significant ups and downs. On one hand, we have constantly been innovating, improving technologies and progressing as we move on to become Atmanirbhar and not rely on any markets for our needs. The Atmanirbhar campaign has pumped fresh blood into many new industries, creating employment opportunities and helping with the economy. Whereas on the other hand, we still have a lot of issues that pose a great challenge to us as a society. As a country, this year has been special for all of us, and we will never forget this time. An important chapter in the history book of a child born 30-40 years later. Coronavirus and all the other problems like the current economic crisis, the border tensions have made this year particularly difficult. But that is exactly what makes this Independence Day special. Our frontline warriors, be it the men and women in khaki or white, people from all walks of life have come together to help and care for those who are struck by the pandemic. As a country, we have managed to safeguard our citizens to a large extent. This day gives us an opportunity to celebrate this nation's greatness and sacrifices of our heroes. It is also a reminder to us to respect and express gratitude for whatever we are blessed with and develop a feeling of empathy for others. So let us determine to cast out the demons of hatred, anger and jealousy, build bridges, strengthen ties and resolve to build a humanistic society. Jai Hind.